Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn some more important program that is compresses and decompresses the string using GZIP compression algorithm. So yeah, this is the program for that. First, I will let you know what is compression and decompression. So first, reduces the size of the data, especially for larger strings. And decompression means restores the original data from the compressed form. So here base64 encoding means and it is used to encode the compressed bytes into a human readable string, and it is common to encode binary data as base64 when storing or transmitting. So yeah, this is that. And here this is the sample output. Like for example, if we enter the message like welcome to FSD interview guide, it will print the compressed message as like this and decompressed message as like this. So yeah, and now we will see the line by line explanation for this. So here these are the important statements for classes you use. And here byte array input stream. So byte array input stream or output stream, like to read write or data in memory. For that we are using this. And here IO exception and handles are output input or output errors here. And here char set of standard char set. So like defines the character encoding here. And here gzip input stream here. So for compressing and decompressing data, we are using these statements, like importing these statements. And like here base64. So the base64 is commonly used for like encoding and decoding binary data to readable text format. So yeah, like that we are importing these statements. And here public class compressed and decompress a string using ZZIP. So here declare a public class name as this. And yeah, public static void main string array args. So this is the main method, and it is the entry point of our program where start the running. And here try, so starts with a try block to catch exceptions like for example IO exception. And here string message equal to welcome to FSD interview guide. So it declares a class, like declares and assigns the original string that will be compressed here. And here system.out.println of original message. So it prints the original message to the console. That's why I given here. And here compressed string, for the compression of the string, here string compressed message equal to compress of message here. So yeah, calls the compression method to compress the original string and store the result here. And here for the printing purpose I given compressed message. And here compress message here. So here for same like compress, here decompress also. Decompress is the string here. String decompressed message equal to decompress of compressed message. So here calls the decompressed method to convert the compressed string back to its original form. Original form. So here system.out.println. Here this is also the printing purpose. Well, and here catch of IO exception. So here system.out.println of error here you dot get message of. So and here it catches and prints any IO errors that may occur during compression or decompression. So that's why given here catches. And here the main program method like compression method starts. So here compresses the input string into a zip format string here. And here private static string compresses of string message throws IO exception. So it defines a private method to compress a string and return it as a base64 encoded string here. And here if message equal to null or message dot is empty of. So here throw new illegal argument exception of message cannot be null or empty here. So validates that the input string is not null or empty. If it is throws an error here. And here convert the message to byte array. So here byte array output stream equal to new byte array output stream of. So here it creates an output stream here in a memory to collect compressed data. And here we are using try. So try GZIP output stream IP output stream equal to new GZIP output stream of byte array out stream here. So here we given the name here, right? Byte array output stream. So here we will give the same byte array output stream. So here wraps the output stream in a GZIP IP stream here. So which compresses data and return to it. And here message bytes equal to message dot get bytes of standard char sets UTF-8 here. So it converts the original string into a byte array using UTF-8 encoding here. And now here GZIP output stream dot write of messages byte here. So writes the byte array into the GZIP stream to compresses it. And here here it ends with the try with the resource set block, that is automatically close the GZIP stream. And here now convert byte array to base64 encode format. So here compressed bytes equal to byte array output stream dot 2 byte array of. So it gets the compressed byte array and like array from the memory output stream. And here return base64 dot get encoder of. So encode 2 string of compressed byte here. So it converts the compressed byte. So yeah, it converts the compressed byte array into an base64 string and returns it here. And now here decompresses the input is GZIP compressed string back to its original string. And now here private static string decompresses string compressed message throws IO exception. So like it defines a private method to decode and decompresses a base64 string here. And now here if condition. So if compressed message equal to null or compressed message dot is empty of throw new illegal argument exception. So it contains like compressed message cannot be null or empty. And so it validates that the input string is not null or empty. And here byte compressed bytes equal to base64 dot get decode of compressed message here. So here decodes the base64 encoded string back into compressed byte code. And now here decompresses the byte array using GZIP. So here byte array input stream equal to byte array input stream equal to new byte array input stream of compressed bytes here. So yeah, compresses an input stream from the compressed byte array here. And now here try. So try GZIP input stream equal to new GZIP input stream of byte array of input stream. So here byte array output stream equal to new byte array of output stream of. So first it wraps the data, like it wraps the input stream in a GZIP input stream here and stream for decompression, and then also prepares an output here like output stream to collect decompressed data. And here byte buffer equal to new byte of 1024. So here it creates a buffer to temporarily hold data while reading. And now here int length. So here while a length equal to GZIP input stream dot read of buffer that is greater than 0. So byte array output stream dot write of buffer 0 length here. So yeah, this is like reads the decompressed data from the GZIP stream in chunks and writes it to the output stream. And finally, it returns byte array output stream dot to string of standard char set UTF-8 dot name of. So yeah, it converts the decompressed byte array back to a string using UTF-8 and returns it. And yeah, this is the program. And yeah, and here the purpose of the program is like take a string and compresses it using GZIP, encode it using base64 so it can be printed or transformed safely. And finally, then it decodes and decompresses it back to its original string. Yeah, this is the purpose of the program. So first here we the original message, and then this input string we want to compresses and later store, right? And then compresses the message here. So the using compress of method. So here validate that the message is not empty or null, and convert the message into bytecodes using UTF encoding, and compresses it using GZIP output stream, and encoded the compressed bytes into a base64 string for easy viewing and transfer. And the third step is like decompression here. So yeah, the using decompress method here. So it is like validate that the input is not empty or null, and here decode that base64 string back to compressed bytes, and decompresses those bytes using GZIP input stream, converts the result back to the original string using UTF-8. So finally the output, and displays all the three stages: original input, compressed, that is encoded version, and final result after decompression. Yeah, this is the program. And yeah, it has only 4 steps. The first one is original message, compression, decompression, and validation and error handling. Yeah, this is all about the program. And now we will save the program. We'll run the program. We'll see what the output is. So here the original message is like, welcome to FSD interview guide. And here the compressor message is like this. And decompressor message is like this. So yeah, like this. I hope you like the video. It looks like too tough, but yeah, this is the easy process, I think, among all. So yeah, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.